Are you here or not in the
Rose Hills, we want a quick bath. You've come to see Sabyasachi. What are your
Yes.
expectations?
You know, I have never seen his show and neither his collection. So I'm completely expecting. I don't know what to expect, but I have heard he's really, really good. So I'm very excited.
Let's talk about handbags. Which type of handbags do you prefer to carry? A handbag.
I mean, it depends upon my mood. Not necessarily right now. I might have a name like a designer bag, but it doesn't matter. I just like it depends. I change a lot of handbags, so every day, depending upon how I feel, I just get up, empty the whole thing, and just carry the bag what I feel comfortable that day. But I change a lot of handbags.
Which handbag you are carrying today? Please show us, ma'am.
Oh,
You're making a story today.
this is a Gucci bag. And I love it because I like the chains and the red. I love red color and green, and it's very easy to go with like black shoes or gold shoes, and it's very comfortable. A lot of stuff can be accommodated inside, so I like that.
Mother, let's talk about footwear. Which type of footwear do you like and you prefer to wear?
Normally, I wear a lot of flat shoes, except that if I'm going out for dinner in the evenings, I wear heels. But I have to be comfortable. I cannot bear just to wear shoes because they're stylish and they're not comfortable.
Let's talk about hairstyle. Which type of hairstyle do you prefer to wear?
Right now, today, I have a bad hair day. I like actually, I do hardly comb my hair. I get up in the morning and I just look in the mirror and just do it with my hands and I'll walk out. I like a very natural look. Sometimes I do some colorings, but then I'll prefer my black hair.
Straight hair or curly hair? Straight hair or curly hair?
I like mossy, between straight and curly. I like.
Mother, which is your favorite female model on track?
Oh, so many of them. How can I say who? Anyway, see you later. Bye.
Mother, could you please show us your bag and stand? Give us a pose. That'll be really good.
I don't like doing this. Thank you.
Thank you so much.